Hey there, this is Giant Contend. I just got this in. This is going to be the basis for a bike that I'm building up. The Contend is what used to be the Defy, so it's got a longer head tube and a little bit shorter top tube, and it also has clearance for bigger tires, so I could definitely put a 28 in here with no problem. And I'm gonna basically strip all the parts off of this bike, probably just keeping the headset, maybe stem, and then from there I am going to start building it. So all these parts will come off, and I'm building up an endurance road bike with wide range gearing and big tires. So stay tuned, and I will be posting up more builds or the build as it comes together. Okay, thank you.